How to check your Nike gift card balance online. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to give you a step-by-step tutorial so that you can check your Nike gift card balance online. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, we can open up the official Nike website directly, which is nike.com, and log in into your account if you're not logged in. Now, from this page, we can scroll to the bottom of the page to the section right here, and there we can directly look out for the option called gift card balance, or something like that. So go ahead and select this option called gift card under resources and go ahead and click on it, and that will load up the page. And this is the page right here. Now we need to enter up our gift card balance details. So here you will be finding a section where we can check our balance. So if you want to check your balance, we have the section called check your balance. We can click on it, and that will lead us to another page where we can enter up the confirmation code, the gift card number from the card itself, or email if it's a gift. So in this box, you can just go and enter up the gift card number and a PIN, which will usually be back on the physical card, scratch off to reveal, and you can type them into the field on the balance page. After entering up your information, you can click on this option called check balance, and your remaining balance will appear on the screen. If it's an e-gift, make sure you use the card number exactly as shown in your email. And make sure there are no extra spaces or missing digits when typing the card number. If your card is not working, you can check for expiry date or contact the Nike customer service. But usually this is how you should be able to check it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.